Today we're going to be using a PDF to put into Google Classroom as student classwork. So we're right now in Stream. We're going to go to Classwork, Create, Assignment. At this point, we're going to give it a title. My assignment is decimals, and I'm going to give them instructions to complete the assignment using TalkHub. We'll go to Add. It's going to be from Google Drive. This is where I have my PDF stored, is in Google Drive. You'll see I have it right here. And I'm going to insert. It's important that you change to make a copy for each student. And at this point, we can decide how we're going to assign it. So I'm going to, if I just want to assign it to all students and I want it to be right now, I just press Assign and it's ready to go. If I want to schedule it, I use the drop arrow, go to Schedule, and then you can choose your date that the assignment will be published. Until then, the students will not be able to see it, but if I choose, for instance, tomorrow, September 8th at 8 o'clock in the morning, that's when the assignment will appear. If I want to use specific students, here I can uncheck all and I can assign just to individual students. I can also choose what classes I want to assign it to. So if it's something I want all my students to do in every subject or every class, I can check off all of them and they'll all get the same assignment. For this video, I'm just going to assign it right now. And you'll see the assignment pops up here. When I open the assignment, you'll see the PDF. You'll see that I've assigned it to 2 people and nobody has turned it in yet.